What if you could get trading ideas, entry, exit, and stop loss delivered straight to you? Well, that is what Forex Signals are designed for. And in this video, I will explain Forex Signals, how they work, and how you can access them through Vantage Markets. And the best part, guys, it's completely free. So without further ado, this is financial advice, but let's dive into this. So what exactly is a Forex signal? Well, these are basically trade suggestions from professional analysts or algorithms. A simple example would be if you get a signal to buy GBP USD at a certain price with a take profit and then a stop loss. Now, a buying price is where you buy. The take profit price is usually where you take some profit or even close the trade. And then the stop loss price is where you're going to limit your losses. Now, why do traders use this? Well, there are a few reasons for this. This could be to save time, learn market timing, or even test strategies. Now, what types of signals are there? Well, there are manual signals that are shared by experts. We can see here on Vantage Markets that you should definitely check out. These are all signals from verified and vetted traders that are profitable. So if we were to click one of these right now, and then we can see we have the take profit levels, the entry level, and of course the stop loss level here down as well. So that is basically how a signal will work. And the good thing about Vantage Markets is they will give you all of this, but we can see that, yes, we actually have a lot more text here as well, in which we can get a better idea of what's going on. So it says, as long as this price is support, look for this price. And if it goes below that, expect the lower price to be potentially a take profit on a short. We can also see some justification here of that as well. So this is based on the RSI, the MACD, and of course other things here as well, including supports and resistances. Now, the other type of signal here, guys, is what's called an automated signal. And this is typically generated by an algorithm. So this will be a trading algorithm that will essentially be tracking certain indicators, and as certain criteria is hit, it will then spit out a signal in which you can go and look at and then follow. So if we were to click this one, for example, you can see it was made by AI. It has a short-term, mid-term, and long-term target, as well as what it is thinking here with a beautiful chart. Guys, if you're looking to grow your social media, you should definitely be using SMMGo, the sponsor of this video. These guys provide real views, real services, and they have a fantastic support system as well. And to be honest, guys, every YouTuber that gets big starts out using an SMM service, and this is how you can turn your social media into an absolute rocket ship. So don't just take my word for it. Head to smmgo.io today and change your socials for the better with real likes, real views, and real growth across the board. Check it out in the description, and let's get back to the video. Now, the other type of signal here would be a copy trading or social trading signal. This is basically where you follow other traders' positions in real time. So when they take a trade, you take a trade as well. Now, this could come with its own risks. For example, if a trader is having a bad swing, then yes, you would lose money as well. But if the trader's doing well, you make money when they make money. Now, when it comes to Vantage Markets, I do love what they have here, because as you can see, I can look at this chart, I can look at exactly what the bot is thinking, but we can also go to the analyst side as well as we did earlier. We can just see what these analysts are doing right now and the targets they're aiming for. We can also switch between crypto, stocks, indices, and commodities to really just go ahead and find the trades that appeal to us most. Now, they also have a trading central, which basically is available to Vantage clients, people with rewards silver tier and above, which is pretty easy to get. And that will basically include daily professional signals covering Forex, commodities, and indices, and it will be delivered to you by email with an entry, exit, and stop loss level. It's important to clarify as well that some of these signals are third party, but they are fully vetted. So Vantage provides access to other social trading platforms through partnerships. This could be from My Forex Book, DupliTrade, ZuluTrade, or DupliTrade, which are all very reputable signal providers. So in short, Vantage doesn't just generate these signals in-house, it actually gives traders access to the leading signal providers and platforms where the signals are available. And that's why I think Vantage have secured so many of these awards over the past few years, guys, because they are really just going above and beyond for their clients. That's why they're my favorite broker right now. Now, the best way to take advantage of these signals on Vantage here, guys, is to always test the signals first on a Vantage demo account until you're comfortable. Then combine them with your own personal analysis. This is a great way to double check and swap notes with reputable traders out there without actually having to communicate with them. You basically just get a feed of what all of the best traders are thinking, so you can cross-reference that with your own analysis and make better decisions. You can also use Vantage's built-in tools, stop loss, take profit, and risk calculators. And then after that, you can gradually transition to live trading. And I will say that the trading accounts and spreads that Vantage does offer are absolutely ridiculous. I've never had a platform like this that is so well regulated, provides so much support in terms of quality, in terms of signals, analysis, and they're just one of the best brokers out there. And I really do feel like I have an edge when I use them. So in summary here, guys, Forex Signals will give traders that powerful edge, but they're best used with the right broker. With Vantage, you can access Trading Central's expert signals and connect to social and copy trading platforms with ease. Definitely consider hitting the link in the description and open a free Vantage demo account now to try the signals out risk-free before you trade live. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.